By rearranging and merging shapes, you can create a wide variety of unique shapes that are not available in the Shapes gallery. In this lesson, you'll reorder shapes, and you'll combine shapes together. To create a custom shape, we'll first draw this diamond shape, and then we'll merge it with the circle we created earlier. Merging shapes simply combines multiple shapes together. When we're finished, the merged shape will look like this. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll click in the text object to select it. To give us room to work, we'll reduce the width of the object. I'll point to the right middle sizing handle, and then I'll drag the handle to the left until the right border of the text object is here. Now in step 2, I'll go up to the Drawing group, I'll click the More button, and in the Basic Shapes section, I'll click Diamond. And on the slide, I'll drag down and to the right to create the shape. In step 3, I'll drag the diamond shape over the circle shape, and I'll use these red Smart Guides, which help you position objects relative to one another. There. Now in step 4, here in the Editing group, I'll click the Select button, and I'll click Selection Pane. The pane opens, and it lists the 4 objects on the slide and the order in which they're stacked on the slide. The diamond shape is still selected, so I'll click the Send Backward button, which moves it below Oval in the list, and places it behind the circle shape on the slide. In step 5, we'll merge these 2 shapes. I'll press and hold the Shift key while I click the circle shape, and I'll release Shift. With both objects now selected, I'll go up and click the Drawing Tools Format tab. Over here in the Insert Shapes group, I'll click the Merge Shapes button, and I'll point to Union to see a preview of this option. The 2 shapes appear to merge or combine to form a single shape, and because the green diamond was selected first, the merged shape will assume its theme and formatting style. In step 6, I'll preview the other options, each of which produces a different result. Now I'll click a blank area twice to deselect the shapes, and then I'll click the diamond shape. In addition to the Rearrange commands in the Selection pane, you can also use the commands in the Arrange group on the Drawing Tools Format tab. I'll click Bring Forward, and the diamond moves back to the top of the stack. We still want to merge these shapes, and we want the combined shape to assume the color and formatting of the circle. So in step 7, I'll click the circle shape so that it's selected first. Then I'll press the Shift key while I click the diamond shape, and with them both selected, I'll click the Merge Shapes button again, and I'll point to Union. Then in step 8, I'll point to the other options, and then I'll click Subtract. The shapes merge into one, and this particular option subtracts the area of the diamond shape. In the Selection pane, the merged shape is identified as Freeform 6. In step 9, I'll close the pane by clicking the Selection pane button here in the Arrange group. Then I'll click a blank area, and I'll save our work. To try these steps yourself and for some additional tips, and to learn about precisely resizing and positioning shapes, turn to page PowerPoint 34 in your book.